Hello guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, the last video I said I'll be showing you, I will be taking you around our farm. So today's video is our farm tour. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you do, kindly subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you so much for your support, guys. We are halfway to 1000 subscribers and I'm so happy for your support. Okay, as I said earlier in my previous video, where I am in the countryside. So today's video, the farm tour, is for our home. It's my dad's farm, so I'll be taking you through, and I hope you enjoy the video. So as you can see, we have everything is like green, but it's in the month of November. So I'm shocked, at the same time I'm impressed, because right now, this time it's always like somehow dry, but this time it's so green. And as you can see, we have a lot of sugar canes, and our farm is divided in 3 parts. This one is the first section, and mostly in this part we have like a lot of apples, my dad's apples, like fruits. Yeah, so this part is that one is an orange tree. We have apple trees, we have tree tomatoes, and some few other things like cowpeas. We planted cowpeas, and yeah, so most, you can see we have also aloe vera here, and yeah, so I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Thank you. So some of our apples have been flowering, and that's the sign that it's about to fruit. And right about now, we are supposed to like spray the plants, yeah, the flowered apples, so that they can keep the flowers. You know, the flowers are the fruits. Yeah, so sometimes they shed or they drop the flowers. If you are not careful, with the spraying, but mostly we do like doing it organically, so my dad will do that. And also in my previous video, I think you saw, um, we did like we were weeding and applying manure around the apples. Yeah, so that's on my last video. If you have not watched, kindly go back and watch it. Yeah, so this is our cowpeas, and I'm with my sister in the farm. It's she's trying to today she's my videographer, but mostly it's my niece, my 6-year-old niece. So today I am with my sister, and we're trying to see things. Like, we have been away for some time, both of us, and we came home. We came like some few. Yeah, my sister was in school and I was at work, so we met at home, and now we're just like admiring the beauty of our home. Yeah, so my dad also came today when I'm doing the video. Yeah, so he's going around his farm, and you can see we have also some fruit. That plastic thing that we have covered the fruit is because of the birds, to keep away the birds. They always eat the fruits, so we're trying to protect the fruits. Yeah, so if you have any question about this, kindly do comment down below, and I'll try my best to answer, because I know many people uh, might have many questions about the apples, because I concentrate mostly on apples. This one is chilies. Yeah, the chilies. In this farm also we have bamboo. You can see how tall they are. The bamboos were so many, we have tried cutting it out to reduce like the diameter. It was so wide, and it was like taking much space in the chamber, so we tried to cut some of it, most of it also. So also in my previous video, I didn't show you, but where we were sitting on the grass, behind us was the bamboo trees, or I can say those stalks. I don't know. Yeah. So here I was just asking my dad if bamboos have bugs, because I'm afraid of caterpillars and bugs and anything that crawls. So I was just trying to ask him if they have bugs, because where if I see one, man, I can remove my clothes. Yeah, that's how afraid I am of bugs and caterpillars and anything that crawls. Since I went home for graduation, I've been eating tree tomatoes daily, like around even 5. Like I'm obsessed with the fruit. So here I had seen one that is too ripe and I could not pass by. So I asked my sister to take a video. I asked my sister to take a video of me eating. I was eating it like I've never eaten before. But honestly, it's so sweet and so yummy. I love them. So in this farm, as I said, we have a lot of fruits, and these tree tomatoes are too many. Sometimes they ripe on the trees. We cannot even take it home because it will go bad. So we just go in the shamba, then we take it from there and eat direct from the shamba, from the farm. Yeah. So this is the beauty of countryside life. You just eat from your farm. No need of going. Yeah, of course we buy some things, but most of the things you find it in the shamba. Yes. So from the first section here, the one that we have been right now, that we are in right now, we were going to the next one, the second one. So the second section, it does not have a lot of things, but most of the things are like bananas and sweet potatoes and some cowpeas also. So here we have this for the at the end we have sweet potatoes, and then we have the bananas. So it does not have a lot of things, but for the first farm, because the first farm has a lot. And here, yeah. So uh, um, the boundary for each section we planted napier grass. So the things that you see like they are like what is it? Sugar cane. They're napier grass. Yeah, and also we have dug. It's called trench. Yeah, because we live in a swampy place, so we dug a trench for it to pass, to reduce water on the farm. So when it rains, most of the time when it rains, because we are in a swampy place, the water is so too much in the farm, but because of the trenches, it helps. Yeah, so my mom is there. I don't know if you can see her. Yeah, so here we have also this one is a orange tree, but it's old. It needs to go. And here we have also jute leaves. I think it's called jute leaves or jute. Yeah, it's a vegetable and we love it. So here we wanted to go to the last section, but my sister was so cautious because the last section we have lemons, and guavas, and also we have bees. There's a beehive around there, so I was trying to convince her to just take me there because the beehive was too far from the lemon, because we were going to see the lemon trees, the lemons, because they are ripe. Nobody's eating. My mom, I don't know if she's a fan, or but it's too many. Even if she's a fan, she cannot like eat all of them. So here we were just like jumping the trench to the last section. As you can see, it has a lot of weeds. Yeah, because it doesn't have you have not planted there many things. It's just some few oranges, um, lemons, and I think there's also sweet potatoes. Yeah, and there's a mango tree at the end. Yes, yeah. So I by now I think you are enjoying this video, and I want to thank you all of my subscribers, and also those who are supporting me by watching, and you have not subscribed. I thank you all, because that's also supporting me, one way of supporting me. But I just want to encourage you to subscribe and support me, and I love you guys. We are now at 500, and I was hoping we will reach 1,000. That's hope, 1,000 subscribers before the year ends. But all in all, I'm grateful to you all for your comments, for those who comment, for those who watch. I am grateful. I love you guys. Yeah. So here I was going to um, pick some oranges, not oranges but lemons. Yeah. So my sister was telling me not to take a lot of them, because not many people like right now we were around 5 at home, so not all of us eat orange lemons. So if we pick a lot, it will get spoiled. So she was telling me just pick 3. Yeah, and leave others. They are ripe, and there are others that are not ripe. Yeah. So after the farm tour, it was time to go home, and before we go home, we were to um, pick some vegetable to go and blanch them for supper. So this is cowpeas that I'm picking, and my sister was not feeling so well, so she had sat down to take my video. Yeah, and I was doing I don't know how it is called, to not uprooting, but picking. Let's say picking. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video the, in my countryside, and I hope to see you again in the next one. And give it a thumbs up, subscribe, enjoy, and let's see you in the next one. Bye bye.